Nous sommes arrivés à apprendre le français. Let's get going and learn some French. That's why we have arrived today. We're not here to talk about French. We're going to speak in French as we learn. Bonjour Charlotte. Comment ça va? Ça va bien. I'm doing well. Bonjour Cheval. Ça va? Non, bonjour. Comment ça va?
Bonjour, Marie.
Bonjour, Marie.
Marie.
I think I have too much coffee in my body right now. I've just been chugging it back. Hello, Mary. Bonjour, Marie. Bonjour, Marie. Bonjour, Anna. Comment ça va? Je suis Julie. Julie asks how Anna's doing. Comment ça va? How are you doing?
Oui.
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 That seems a little bit easy. I don't know, man.
Ça.
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 Is it like that or something?
Ça va bien.
It. Ça va
Ça va
bien.
bien.
Ça va bien.
Oui.
I like learning French, man. Oui. Sometimes I hear that. Oui. Like they're letting out a lot of air or something when they say it. Oui, ça va bien. Yeah, doing good. I'm doing well. Ooh.
Ou.
Ooh. There's the sound one again. I guess that's the alphabet.
Comment ça va, Marie?
That's what that is. That's probably the alphabet. They're like slipping in some alphabet stuff or something. I always wonder why they throw those letters in there.
Comment ça va, Marie?
Comment ça va, Marie? How... R? Where's R? Are you doing, Marie? Comment ça va, Marie? Girl is fille. I haven't seen that in a while.
Fille.
Oui. I mean, you is tu.
Tu.
Hello is bonjour.
Bonjour.
Oui.
Oui.
Femme.
Femme.
This is fun, man. I don't know. I could get used to this. I am doing well. Ça va bien.
Bien.
And is et.
Et.
You is tu. Informal.
Tu.
Oui.
Oui.
Fille.
Fille.
Chien.
Chat.
Yes, I am doing well. Oh no, typing. Here we go. Oui, ça va, right? Ça va. So, oui. Is that how you spell we? I don't even know. I've never spelled it before. Does that have a squiggle on it? Ça va. Ça va? I feel like I'm going to get it wrong because I don't know how to spell it. O-U-I. Oh, yeah, I did spell it wrong. O-U-I, ça va. I got the ça va right. Nice. Squiggly C. I don't know what you call that letter, but guess I need to do a grammar lesson somewhere. 16 combo double XP. Come on, bring it on. Oh, dude. I really wish they would give me some kind of warning. I forget about those commercials, man. It probably wasn't loud for you, but man, that eagle sound was awesome. It went through the whole neighborhood on this side. All right, let's close that up. Come back to reality. Let the ringing in my ears stop. I got the iPad or the tablet that has 4 speakers and it's full blast. And man, hope the speakers still work after this. Serious. No, we're keeping it. I'm just gonna leave it at the minimum, and then I'll do as many as I can in a day. But we will do another lesson today. Because I like to keep the videos between, 10 minutes, give or take. Takes longer, that's fine. If it's shorter, that's fine. One lesson is like too fast, like 4 minutes or something. 15 minutes a day. Well, they're trying to push me to do more, huh? It's the pusher. Salut! Ça va? The green pusher. You try to push your lessons on me, I'll do what I want. Salut, Emily. Ça va? Ça va bien, merci. À toi? Doing well, thank you. And you? Ça va bien, merci. Et toi? We just read that. I'm doing well, thank you. And you? Bonjour, Marc. Comment ça va? Je suis Paul et ça va très bien. Paul is introducing himself. Yep. Sounds about right. That's that E too. Bonjour, je suis un chat et je mange une pizza. Ça va très bien. The cat likes pizza. These sentences are getting really fun to read. Good evening, Paul. Bonne soirée. Bonsoir. What did I just say then? Bonsoir.
Paul.
How you saying it? I want to hear.
Paul.
Want to hear bonsoir? Come on, dude.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Paul.
Bonsoir. Bonsoir.
Salut Paul, comment ça va?
Salut, Paul. Comment ça va? So, hi, Paul. How are you doing? Where's how? How are you doing? Bon, salut, Paul. Comment ça va?
Bonsoir Paul.
Bonsoir, Paul.
Bonsoir Paul.
Oh, I gotta sneeze. I hate this feeling. Loose. Good evening, Marie.
Marie.
Bonsoir, Marie.
Très bien. Et toi?
Très
Très
bien.
bien.
Et
Et
toi?
toi?
Very good. And you? Very good. Very, very, very good.
Si.
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 Si. That means yes in Spanish.
Merci.
Merci. Thank you. Très.
Très.
Fille.
Fille.
Fille. Homme.
Homme.
Well is bien.
Bien.
Comment?
Comment?
Comment? Translate the sentence and you. Et toi? Et toi? T-O-I, right? Oh, I got it right. I wasn't sure. Please don't put a commercial. Ah, good. I'm going to turn it down and go to the next screen. We're in the double XP. Oh, yeah, it's a silent... Actually, well, we're done. I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Let me close this. Moving on up. Number 9. So far.